Welcome back to samaartmedia. Today's painting, I am using my handmade canvas for painting. First, moist the brush and canvas board with sufficient of water. I am using some titanium white and cerulean blue for the background. Using flat brush, short handle for the first top layer. Add little bit of white and blend the colors together. For the bottom, picking some crimson to the left and orange to the right of the canvas board for the background and blend the colors together. In the center part, add little by little white and blend the colors until you get the good background. For this painting, I am using my handmade canvas, but you can use canvas board, canvas paper and canvas sheet for coloring. Next step for the trees, I am picking some brown and using round brush size 6 to make the trunk of the tree first. Next picking some black and blue mixed together and make dark shade of the trunks. Making branches too, simultaneously make small stones also around the trees. Now adding brown and little bit of titanium white and mix together and mix well to the trunk of the trees left side, because this is the highlight of the trees. This side is facing to the moon. At last give white line to the highlight of the trees trunk, branches and stones. Now the nice moon is ready. I am using tongue brush for the leaves. Here I am using one stroke painting techniques and double load method too. First load the brush with light green and then pick the pink to the tip of the brush and make the leaves like this. After making the trees, Now the tree is ready. Next step, making cat on the swing. I am using linear brush and triple zero. I am using linear brush, triple zero and round brush size 4. At last, girl in the garden. The girl is facing to the moon and pulling the smiling star to her. First making outline of the girl and using teal blue and cerulean blue for the dress. And one hand is facing to the star. I am picking some lemon yellow to the star. Then after that, I am picking little bit of black and using triple zero and make the smiley's face inside the star. Now the painting is ready. Bring out your hidden treasure of imaginations in yours painting. Use your imaginations, achieve the picture what you want. I meet you in my next painting. Like and share to your friends this video and leave your feedbacks in the comment box. Thanks for watching.